Today, what I'm going to show you is how to connect Shopify to PingBell so that you can create a digital order counter for your Shopify store. It's a 5-step process. It takes a few minutes to get through, but I will show you from start to finish how to do this. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is go into your Shopify store and then click over here on apps next to this triangle. It will open up this pop-up and then go ahead and type PingBell. Now it may not find anything because it's a relatively new app, so click on search PingBell in Shopify App Store. All right, and it's going to find this app right here. And what you're going to do is click on it and then click install. It's going to open your Shopify store, open our pop-up, and you're going to click on this black button. This is install. All right. I suggest that you click on this pin, that it will pin it to your apps. It's going to be easier to find later on. It takes about a minute or so to load the app. All right. Once loaded, you will see a screen like this that is going to ask you to connect between Shopify and PingBell. You can log in to PingBell with your existing credentials. If you've already signed up with Google or Apple, I suggest that you click on that. Otherwise, you can sign in with email, create a new account, or just sign in with your Shopify email. I already have signed up with Google, so I'll just do that. And I'm going to connect it with my Cypher account. Okay, now at this point, it's going to ask you to select either a PingBell that you've created or to create a new one. I have a lot going on here, so I'm just going to create a brand new PingBell. For most people, this is what you're wanting to do. Click on this button, and it creates a new PingBell for you. All right, so every time there's a new order created, it's going to notify this PingBell in my account. Now let's go ahead and click on customize. It's going to open my PingBell, and I'm going to search for new Shopify order. First and foremost, I'll edit this, and there's all these different sounds. Awful. Let's go with there's chimes, there's gongs, whistle, or can't go wrong with the cash register, so we'll select that. Click save. Then I'm going to click on this little celebration icon, and it's going to open the celebration counter page. Now I know what you're thinking. It's vacant. There's nothing on it, but in a few minutes it will look really, really good. First thing that you're going to do on this page is click on this hamburger menu. It's going to open this menu. And let's click on behavior. Let's activate the sound that we just selected and click save. Now, let's add a background. I'm going to upload. You can choose one of the defaults that we have here or just upload your own. Let's go into my desktop. And most of these are just slideshows that I downloaded from Canva, which is really cool. You can bring in whatever you want, your own. Let's go with this one. Okay, so that's going to be the background from my custom celebration page or custom counter. Next up, let's choose the font color so I can actually see something. Okay, new Shopify order. And I can just drag and drop and resize it. You can actually change the font. I like this font, Jenga. And we'll just make it. All right. And I think that's good enough for now. Let's just change. Let's add the counter. And change the counter color to black. And resize this. Now, this is a lot of zeros. I don't want to see as many zeros, so I'm just going to change the digits to 6. It's good enough for now. We can always add it later. And since I'm going to add it to a store that may have already some orders, so I'll just plug in some number right here. This is how many orders, let's say, that I have in my store. So that's going to be the new starting point. So every time I'll get a new order, it's just going to add to this tally, and that way I'll know exactly how many orders I have. All right. If once you start driving notifications or getting notifications on your PingBell, you'll have the option to change it from total to revenue, and then instead of it showing a absolute number of how many orders you got, it will show you how much revenue you've collected. And if you want to just ensure that it looks good, let's add the currency symbol, dollars, to the left. And once you update this, once it shows revenue, you'll be able to update it, and will show you a different number, not the absolute total number of orders, but the actual revenues. So let's say that you wanted to change the message without having to go and edit this. You can just rewrite this. So let's say it was total revenue and static message. And there we have it. Total revenue. And now, in the options that you want to do, instead of count up, you want it to count down. Let's say that you have 5,000 units in inventory. You can just do a count down and count down from 5,000. That way, you know that once you've reached 0, you're basically sold out of all of your inventory, which is awesome. So that's going to be very flexible. You can just toggle between both. Last but not least, let's add a QR code, or for your purposes, this can also be your logo. You just add it and drag it to wherever you want. You can put it as a logo or as a QR, it doesn't really matter. It's your custom page. Okay, so this preview shows me how it will look on any desktop or laptop screen. If I wanted to see how it would look on a TV, mobile, or tablet, all I have to do is click here. And you're going to see that I need to redrag and resize these so that I can do this. Basically, redo it for each one of these screens. But once you do, when you open it on a smartphone or a iPad, or even a smart TV like an Android TV or an Amazon Fire TV, it will look very similar to what you have here. Okay. So I'm not the greatest artist or graphic designer, but I think you kind of get the idea. Okay, so now that it's all situated, more or less, we can play with this forever. The next step is going to load it onto your phone or to your tablet or your smart TV. So the best way to do it is literally to download our apps. We have apps for iOS, for Android TV, and Amazon TV. And then I will show you in a sec how to do that and how to load it. At my office, I have an Android TV here. I've already pre-installed PingBell from the App Store. I'm going to open it and I'm going to load the PingBell app. That's going to show me all of my different PingBells. And now all I have to do is go and search for new Shopify. Where is it? New Shopify order. There you go. Looks like what we've set up. And I've downloaded the PingBell app on this iPad from the App Store, and I'm going to do new Shopify order. I'm going to click over here. It's going to look like that. And on my phone, iPhone, Shopify order. And this would look the same on an Android device as well. There you go. Have all of it looking the same. All right, let's trigger an event and see what happens. All right, so I brought this over here so you can see how it works. All right, so let's do gift card, $100, add, and customer. We'll just put in test. Let's do collect payment, mark as paid, create order. There we go. New order. Now it's showing total revenues, but if you remember that we could change it. So let me just show you how cool this is. For it to change the text in real time. Let's go to message, change it back to static message, and click on the save button. Boom, updates in real time. And if I wanted to change, let's go into tablet, let's move this right here, and click save. All right, immediately. And on mobile, let's change this in real time. Okay, click save. All right, updated immediately. Well, thank you for watching along. Go ahead and install the PingBell app on Shopify. Get started. There's a free trial for you to check it out and make sure that this is the right solution for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at hi@pingbell.io. We'd be more than happy to help you get started. And thank you. Enjoy.